Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. In this video, I'm showing you my summer makeup routine, and I show you how to get some really nice glowy skin. I absolutely love how this came out. This video is a collab with a bunch of lovely ladies. We all are doing summer related videos, so I will link their channels down below and their channels here. So if you guys want to see how I get this summer look, then keep watching. I did my eyebrows off camera. I just do them off camera just to make my life easier. It is just easier. It makes the video go so much faster because brows take forever and I just need like all the concentration that I can get. So in the summer, I don't really like doing eye makeup as much, so I'm just going to skip the eyes for now and just go right to my face. The first product I'm going to be using is this NYX Photo Loving Primer, and it is green. This is good for anti-redness. I really like it for the summer because my face does get red. I will put sunscreen on and it still gets red, so this does help cancel out the redness. So I just put some on my finger like that, and just honestly I just pat it here on like my cheeks where my pores are, on my nose, on my forehead as well. I kind of just pat it all in and really make sure it gets anywhere that's red. My cheeks are always really red, as you could probably see on camera right now. My nose is pretty red, and then if I ever have any breakouts on my chin as well. Once I'm done priming, I will just go right into foundation. Normally I will prime then conceal, but in the summer I don't really like to wear concealer. I don't really like how it looks on my skin at all in the summer. I don't know why. I think it's because in the summer my skin gets dry when I'm in the sun and it just doesn't sit right on my face, and also it always looks extremely lighter on me no matter like what color I use. I don't like to go super dark, but I like to stay in like the lighter family, and it just never looks right in my opinion. So that's just why I skip over concealer completely. Sometimes I will spot conceal, but I'm not really going out or doing anything today, so I'm not going to spot conceal. So I'm just going to skip right into my face, and I'm going to be using this Urban Decay One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector, and then this is in a medium. So I just pop that on the back of my hand. You could, you know, dot this all over your face like with the pump, but whenever I do that I make a mess. So I just dot this on my face. And with this, you can totally use a brush to blend it out. That gives it a little bit of a more fuller coverage kind of look. Or you can use a sponge, which is what I'm going to do. I like how the sponge looks better, so I'm just going to go in with this damp Eco Tools sponge and just blend it all out. Make sure you blend it down your neck, especially in the summer. Very important. And I also like to just go over my eyes as well because I don't conceal, so I just put a little bit on my eyelid. It doesn't really do anything. I mean, it helps with like the darkness and stuff, but it's not, on me, it doesn't crease or anything, which was what I was trying to spit out. So I just like to blend this all in, get in that hairline. Next step in my routine is bronzing. So I'm going to go in with these two bronzers. The first one being the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and this Makeup Revolution bronzer. Basically what I like to do is I just take a little bit of the Makeup Revolution bronzer on this Beijoy powder brush, and then I dip into this Physicians Formula one because this one has a little bit of a shimmer to it, so I like the shimmer to be like on top more. If that makes sense. It does work, I feel like. So I just do that whole three thing to apply my bronzer. I always start at the cheekbone, and I also get a little crazy with the bronzer because I like that really pretty bronzy glowy look for the summer. in the summer, I especially really like to get my nose because that is where I always get burnt. I'm still a little sunburnt right here. I have like a little piece of, I don't know what it is going on, but I really like to focus the bronzer on my nose just to blend like my skin, the foundation and the sunburn and like a tan together. It's a mess, my nose. I don't know what goes on. So I just really like to pack on the bronzer there. Now moving on to blush, I just like to add like a nice little pink blush back to my face. I'm just going to go in with this Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. And I'm also going to be using this Bayjoy blush brush to apply that. So I just dip into that. So I'm just going to dip into this. And I kind of smile and bring it back. So like this. And I also like to add some to my nose. I just think that looks really cute. It also adds a little bit of a glow. So now on to highlight. I feel like I take a couple of steps for my highlight, but just bear with me because it looks good. First, I'm going to go in with this Mario Badescu Rose Water. I know mine looks a little bit different. It's because once it gets down to like here below the sticker, I will add water. And it's pretty much just like a watered down version of the rose water. It does the same exact thing. My makeup lasts all day long. Highly recommend. It helps save you some money. So I just mist my face with this really quick. By really quick, I mean like use half the bottle. And I just fan it into my skin to get it a little bit damp and not too wet. Then for highlight, I'm going to use this Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the shade Pearl. And to apply the highlight, I'm going to be using this BH fan brush. So I just dip in like this. And I'm going to be looking at the mirror that's behind you guys. So I just kind of highlight, you know, where you normally would, your cheekbone. I like to highlight my temple too, so I like to bring it here. The rose water is making me want to sneeze so bad right now. And I will dip into this a lot because the fan brush doesn't really hold a lot of product, I guess you can say. So I just apply it, you know, like I just said, to my cheekbones, my temple, forehead, my nose. My Cupid's bow and chin. And then I'm going to go in with this little like Coastal Scents like smudger brush and back in with the highlighter. And I'm just going to put this on my brow bone. I really like this brush for the brow bone because it just fits like perfectly. Next, I'm going to just take this pencil brush from BH, dip back into the highlight, and just pop a little bit in my inner corner just to give that nice little glow there. I love adding a highlight there, especially when I'm doing like a no makeup look like this. So now I'm just going to go back in with my Mario Badescu spray and spritz my face really quick and let it mist or set it. I don't know what I'm saying. And then I'm going to go in with another damp sponge. This is just a L'Oreal sponge, and I'm just going to set the highlight. Doing this really melts the highlight into the skin. I love how it looks, and it makes the highlight look so natural. It looks like your skin is glowing from within. It kind of takes off any excess product. It looks so pretty. So now I'm just gonna finish up the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner. It won't focus. This is just in black, and I'm just going to use this to tightline. Just using it right up here. I'm just using it to tightline because I want it to make my eyelashes look fuller. So next up is lashes, and I'm just going to use the mascara duo that I've been loving, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Fan Effect and the Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. And I'm first going to go in with the Lash Sensational. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Falsies Push-Up Drama on the lower lash line, and I'm also going to use that on the top lashes as well, just to kind of separate them a little bit. So now on to lips. A glowy look would not be complete without some Fenty Gloss Bomb. And that is it for this video. Go check out everyone who I collabed with. Their channels are all down below. Thanks ladies for collabing. I had a lot of fun doing this collab. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see in the near future, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!